like perfectly in view of the camera, and then he just turns and shoots me, and I'm like, dude, you're out. He's like, no, and he's like, no, you never hit me. He ran right past me, right in the base. Yep.
Wow.
I'm like, you're on camera, buddy.
See, that's when you put it on YouTube.
You did. I did. I posted it up.
Good.
You should have posted it on their wall.
Yeah, honestly, I would have.
He was the one known for cheating a lot, though. Yep.
Like,
Sorry,
hey.
I don't refer to Polar Star guys as douchebags. There's just like 4 or 5 guys. They own their own like Polar Star store. Yeah. We met them. It used to be guys from Storm 6.
Yeah, and they're just total assholes.
Well,
there's people that are assholes. Yep. And I mean, you get that with AEGs though. I mean, you get quick chain spring and in and out, and you're done.
Well, and that's what all those guys that were in that middle table. It's like those guys are fucking no fun to play with. That's right.
Oh, all the camo guys, the Russian guys.
Well, yeah. The Asian, whatever the hell they were. The fucking one guy had Korea.
Yeah, those guys were hurt.
This guy's bitching all day about getting shot too much.
But then they don't
play.
fucking...
Yeah, and then what is it?
Game starts. Same game. Go. Keep going, keep going. No contact. No dice. Empty. Watch your... I'm gonna keep looking for boxes. Hit! Good shot. Really? Alright, well, could be something. Huh?
There's a crate right in front of the rest.
Where? Which row?
Oh, you can't see who's behind the pillar. Like right in the middle there where he was.
By this red flag?
A little bit further. The next pillar up. It's right down there.
Okay.
So watch that.
Yeah, you want to get it?
I'll try if you want to keep it covered.
Yeah, I will. Just make sure you haul ass once you get it. Watch the center building too. Watch your left. Remember, gently, gently. Ref is following you. Right? No, I'm going through the camera with my goal is. Snow Camo, come see me! Hey, was that the one or no? Did you? Hold up. Yeah, I didn't feel it. Where'd you hit me though? All right, then I'll take it. I believe you. Center building! Hit! Good shot. Ouch. Very good shot. Gently, gently, gently.
He's got the real one.
I know he does. Gently, gently.
They're coming, they're coming. They're coming, we got covered.
Where are they coming from?
This way.
Changing. We get it? Did we win or did we lose? Did it spill? Did it spill?
No.
Sweet! Sweet! Are we playing TTT? Nice job!
Good. Great. Where's you in the back?
How did it feel if you
do
did?
anything? No, I was on watching.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, you were close.
You got both grades actually.
No one has ever found